Hey yo, welcome to Puzzler channel. This channel means to travel with puzzle. I got new package since last 2 weeks. I take a lot of 3D puzzle in there. So I'm gonna take out one, and this will be the London Tower Bridge. Alright, on the box is show fun, educational, no tools, no glue, and easy to assemble. And it is good to play for 6 players, so maybe it is not very difficult for me. 120 pieces included, so I hope I can do it. They mentioned about the size as well, and I will show you on the display. So okay, I got one stick like the usual, and here I got instruction about all the pieces to make it happen. Here I got the main one, 3D puzzle, a lot of pieces inside. I'm gonna take out. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards. One card got both sides. So this is everything glued in here. Let's put it up together. Let's go.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change.
It's really difficult for me because it really takes time than when I expect at the time. That one take like 5 hours already, so I stopped for a while and now I reshooting this one. You know, I feel really tired, but like what you see, I got this one, this road, this bridge and this water, and there's two building already, so I need to put it together and maybe still got some more, so let's start again.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
Now I got this one, so it's really nice, is it? So with the road, this will be the main entrance. Okay, so let's pop it one together. Okay, I got this one, another one is done, and this is the other one. So I have to like this, right? Maybe like this. Okay, so let's do it again for the rest. So this is the last piece of this puzzle. Actually, this is really hard for me and really take time. So I'll put it the last one. I will see how. Now you can see all the bedding here and the bridges already happened. So last one I'll put it, then I'll show you the detail. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the pieces I broken just now. I'll show you in the video. So I broke it, but it's okay. Everything is under control. So okay, this is the last piece. The boat, fix it right now. Later I'll show you detail of every single thing. Okay, so see you there. I'll tell you about the history of it. So, Tower Bridge is combined bascular and suspension bridge in London, England over the River Thames. It is close to the Tower of London, which gives it its name. It has become an iconic symbol of London. Tower Bridge is one of several London bridges owned and maintained by the City Bridge Trust, a charitable trust overseen by the City of London Corporation. The bridge is 800 feet, 244 meters in length, with two towers each, 213 feet, 65 meters high. Beton piers. Okay, beton piers. The central span of 200 feet, 61 meters between the towers is split into two equal bascular or leaps, which can be raised to an angle of 83 degrees to allow river traffic to pass. The bascular weighing over 1,000 tons each are counterbalanced to minimize the force required and allow raising in 5 minutes, which is really nice. Okay, so here they write about the construction period. So started in 1886 and took 8 years with 5 major contractors. Really a lot. So the bridge was officially opened on 30 June 1894 by the Prince of Wales, the future King Edward VII, and his wife and the Princess of Wales. It is all done for now, and I hope you guys really enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share, please. Alright, maybe next time we'll see. Bye bye.